Understanding affiliate marketing and how to make it work for you. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to bring in more income and attract more visitors to your website, but it can be hard to know where to start. Don't just jump blindly into a program. Instead, learn the ropes first by following the advice presented in this video. The way to analyze any potential affiliate marketing program is to weigh the potential returns versus the costs. It is important to go beyond simple dollars and cents in this analysis. A cheap affiliate program that requires tons of work from the webmaster is not as cheap as it appears. A profitable program that annoys and alienates website visitors may cost more business than it brings in. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you need to know your audience. You need to understand your readers' needs and what they may be looking for when they come to the site. Make sure that the ads you post are things that your audience would be interested in, or they will not click on them. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, be sure to test products before you advertise them. If you are displeased with the product, it is likely that your customers or subscribers will be as well. Advertising an unsatisfactory product will decrease your credibility and trustworthiness, while advertising a quality product will do the opposite. Focus on high-margin items if your targeted audience can afford it. Promoting a high-value item and a 99-cent book both take the same amount of time and effort. If you are going through all the work anyway, focus on something that can make you some real money. The other benefit is that you need less sell-throughs to make the same amount of money. Know the audience that you are trying to entice. Take into consideration why they are coming to your site and what they are interested in. Make sure that the affiliate products that your site is offering to them provide a solution to your visitors' problems. Keep with the theme of your site. When affiliate marketing, include as many examples of the products you are trying to promote. Create videos, screenshots, or any other way to demonstrate that the product does what it is claiming to do. Be very specific when describing, explaining or reviewing each product you are linking to. It will encourage people to make the purchase. If you learn the basics of affiliate marketing first instead of diving in headfirst, you will achieve much greater success. Properly applying the principles you've learned from this video can mean the difference between success and failure. Don't let your efforts go to waste. Follow these tips and enjoy the rewards of a well-run affiliate program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.